Hello everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. Here we are going to roll this purple color of pipe cleaner on the top of this stick. You can also use a pen in place of this. Tie a knot using this blue color of pipe cleaner like this. Twist it and look, it's done. Now remove all the petals and fold it like we are doing here using fingers, and look, it's done. Spread it evenly like we are doing here in this video, and your flower is ready. After spreading it, we are going to twist all the flowers like this, and look, it's done. Now we are going to make the center part of the flower using this yellow color of pipe cleaner. Fold it and paste it at the center. You can use hot glue gun, and look, your flower is ready. You can make more such flowers and make a flower basket like this. First, we are going to make the bunny ears and keep it aside. Now take this blue color of pipe cleaner and we are going to make the flower here. So fold it at the center and twist it as well. Look how we are doing here in this video. After twisting it and spreading those petals, we are going to tie a knot at the center like this. You can also adjust the petals by pressing it like we are doing here in this video. After making the petals, we are going to cut the extra part, and look, your flower is ready. You can also paste a small yellow circle at the center. Now paste all the ears and flowers one after another, and look, it's done. Here we are going to take 4 to 5 stick of pipe cleaner, fold it and cut the extra part. We are going to make the pink flower petal here, so spread it like this and keep it aside. We are going to make 6 such petals. Now we are going to make the leaves here using green color of pipe cleaner. Fold it and cut the extra part like we are doing here. Leave one pipe cleaner like this, and look, your leaves are ready. Let's paste all the flower petals on this green stick. So collect all of them and paste it using hot glue gun. Look how we are doing here in this video. After pasting all of them, we are going to put the hot glue gun at the center as well and press it, and look, it's done. After this, we are going to cover it using roller tape and put the leaves as well, and look, your beautiful flower bird stick is ready. Similarly, you can also make this flower. Here we are going to roll this orange pipe cleaner on the pen and remove it. After this, we are going to put this brown pipe cleaner inside it and tie a knot like this. After this, we are going to twist the extra part of the brown pipe cleaner below the flower like we are doing here in this video, and we are going to fold it like this, and look, it's done. After folding it, we are going to twist the rest of the part using this brown forward tape, and look, it's ready. After covering the flower and putting the leaves on the top of the stick, we are going to make a bundle of such flowers and combine all of them. Look how we are spinning the brown forward tape around the stick like this and make a bunch of flowers. Spread all of them and dab it inside the pot, and it's done. Thank you so much for watching this video.